What's up? This my hood. In the hood.
Can I zoom in? Can I zoom in? I don't know if I can. I can't. Damn it.
Yeah. Well, anyways, repainted valve cover. I replaced these again. That's the same old header, different block. H22A. It's the same shit. Most of the same. This all changed out. Rebuilt head. Just prelude things. Oh, yeah, I fixed my hood latch.
It was loud as hell.
Yeah. It is pretty loud.
Look at the sexy headlights. God damn! Cleanest fucking part on this thing.
Yeah, literally. The only clean
The
part.
body work that I got to see finally. Badass.
You don't get to see my credit card number.
Come on guys, let's get it on. I got you on camera right now.
Okay.
I see your credit card information.
Broken?
Is it
Yeah, this one's broken. Bro, they ain't got shit, so I'm broken.
And this man Troy.
Okay.
Damn. Well, I guess it gives you a chance to start it up and drive it around.
Yeah.
Give me a good clean start up. Damn!
Oh, we still got 14 seconds left.
Oh, 14 seconds, come on! Make it count! 7-6!
Yeah! I got like...
Oh, it's still going!
Oh, it's still pissing.
What a good start to the video.
Oh, yeah. Don't. Alright, I got this. Ready?
Shit, yeah. Let me get that in slow motion with some holy music.
Look how shiny it is. And look at the rest of the car. My bad. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time.
Yeah, 245, 220, 233, 252.
I'm coming as fast as I can.
What do you mean by that?
You're coming as fast as you can?
Yeah, take that whatever way you want. High pressure wax.
Shit.
Good God, this is a good stream.
It is struggling for its life right now. Oh, he got the weak stream. He got the weak stream. Hey, yo, fit check. Fit check.
Work check. How do I stop this shit? Oh.
It's already done. People, were you running NOS in that race?
No.
Bullshit.
I was not. It's not in the car.
Bullshit.
Look in the car.
How much horsepower this fucking thing makes?
240.
240? Oh, then yeah,
And nowhere in here is a
I'm not even
all the body work.
I'm not even pissed that I lost then, because 240
Oh, so
240 versus
tried?
180.
Yeah.
At first I tried, but I was kind of hesitant going out the first gear because I was like, shit, I don't know if I want to race this because I don't want to mess it up. But
Yeah, but I'm only in
damn, that look clean as fuck though. Look at that. The rear end on that 10 gens are fucking nice.
But I'm down a cylinder, so that's probably like 180 as well.
Shut up.
240
You still pushing
minus a fourth is 180.
I don't know. Maybe you're running 5.5.
5.5 cylinders.
Damn, we just look like legit YouTubers out here.
Yeah. No, because I've gone here before.
Are you gonna do the signature stand on the hood pose?
Sure.
Fuck the police, right? No, we love the police.
I'm gonna be a police officer. Fuck, we love the police. I mean,
For legal reasons, I am not replying.
for legal reasons, we agree that cops are amazing and they protect us.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just.
Let me get my.
Damn.
Yeah, I've stood on this hood so many times. There's footprints everywhere if you look
We
close
spent
enough.
10 minutes trying to get this bright. Like 10.5 minutes.
Bruh.
Damn.
That shit dies quick.
If
And this
you
is
lean
supposed to be.
against
This is
it-
supposed to be one of the better batteries.
I'll go like. I don't really know how to do this. This isn't bad.
How do you want to take your photo?
I'll take multiple.
All right. By that time you would have posted it, right? So I could take photos from your Instagram and put that on as an overlay, right? Like as we do it, you've seen the ones where they have the footage and then it cuts to the Instagram posts and shit. You better get this shit a lot of likes, motherfucker.
Well, I've been picking up a lot of traction. I'll have to look.
You have.
Okay.
Let's see.
Alright. Goated. And you know the pole walk.
You want to go and stand on the hood after too?
Yeah. I don't know, like it's like this, right?
I think he stands against the fenders. And then it gets him looking away. So it's reversed from, he's normally on that side, but look that way. Come this way a little bit more in front of the wheel well, like in the center of it.
Alright, what photos do you want? And then
Shit, I do need some, huh?
and then we gotta take like a banner photo. Are you still filming?
Yeah, I didn't know I was. I sat there on the ground for a solid minute.
So one inside me came out of you.
But that's not weird.
Yeah, a little bit. This the shit box.
The shitbox 3000.
The shit box.
What do we call this? The attempted shitbox?
Yours isn't old enough to be a shit box yet. It still looks clean.
So was it Riceburners?
I don't know. Mine has Bondo here. Was pulled out here, and it has Bondo
I
down
just
there.
realized I've been filming the whole time and you haven't. It's your channel. Well, our channel, I guess, technically now.
Yeah, I guess it is now. I'm Sean. What's up?
Yeah, he's joining us along with Tamias.
Timid boy. Put a
Yep.
picture of him right on the screen right now.
Okay. Anyways,
Dirty as fuck.
I'm shaming you, even though mine is not that much better.
Right through the hood. Hey,
Oh yeah. I don't know. I have some stuff in here.
man, this shit's so fucking weird. Like,
let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay, well we got this. We got this. And that. And then that's just some other pictures I took.
Look at these fucking things.
Look at all the dust I just put on this.
It's just it's just part of the hood now.
Yeah, well it's rusting. Actually, I'm laying a fiberglass hood, so
Oh, for real?
yeah, at some point. We do it to
Well,
this
hey.
car.
Race car.
Wait,
Oh,
I
the
did.
owner?
The old owner.
What the? This used to be a rally car. What the fuck?
Yep.
So this ain't original paint.
No, it's just so shit. I mean, they didn't even use any primer. This is like paint straight to metal. There's no primer. That's why it's coming off.
Man, your hood gets hot as fuck. How's mine?
That's because you still have your fiberglass insulation. I don't.
Hood's fiberglass?
No, all hoods have fiberglass
Oh.
insulation under them. Mine
To be honest, it
came off.
might be. It's no, never mind.
No.
My dad got a fiberglass 2-inch caliper for his Mustang. It's fucking crazy.
You would know if it was fiberglass. It was super rare. Oh,
There's a company that I asked them to make a product, and they made it just for me and other people. So it's a hood latch, right?
mm-hmm.
It's the ones you could take the hood off easy. Now I asked them like, hey, would y'all make this? And they're like, if you can get enough people to like this comment or like say that they want one. I was like, I bet. I had I don't know how many FK7 owners. Every single one of them said, I want one.
You.
So they started making them, and now they're made, but now it's on pre-order
I'm
right
gonna
now.
get hood pins before this flies
They're
up.
$200 though.
But
they're
you
the
haven't
only
even bought it yet.
No, they're the only people who make
I know
them.
you're the one who
Yeah,
wanted to
exactly.
make it.
I'm going to leave one too.
You.
Okay. Get the fuck out of here.
Piece of shit. Yeah, that's how it be.